In this short presentation, I would like to show you how easy it is to go from having prices in your RCS shopping basket to a fully detailed quote sent to your client by email. Before starting this presentation, I signed in to the RCS website and added the products I wanted to the RCS shopping basket. In this case, the client urgently requires new letterheads, compliment slips, and business cards. If you are not clear on how to get to this stage, please contact RCS and we will be delighted to show you. From the shopping basket, I click the Next button to move to the delivery screen. Here, I click the For Quote Only button. This brings up a postcode dialog box. I enter the postcode of my client and then click in the delivery option I require. This then brings up a quote summary box, which summarizes the cost of items in my basket, the cost of carriage, and the total cost. There is also space for you to enter your quote reference. We recommend using a reference which will make this quote easy to identify later. In this case, I will type my client's name and today's date, David Cameron, 12th May 2010. I then press Save RCS Quote. I will show you where this is saved later. As soon as the quote is saved, the Email Price to Client button becomes active. I press this button and it brings up a new window. Many of the details are already filled because I'm signed in, but they are editable if I want to make changes and, of course, some details need to be added. So I will add the client's email address, david.cameron@downingstreet.com. I will add my name as the person creating the quote, Lindsay Abbott. I can now decide on the price I am going to quote my client, either the RCS retail price, markups on top of that price, or discounts from it. In this case, I think my client can well afford to pay, so I will mark up by 15% on RCS retail. I now fill in my client's name and phone number. Finally, there is a box for additional notes, which can contain unlimited amounts of text. This can be used to add standard terms and conditions, or a note that there will be no carriage charge if the job is collected from store. In this case, I am going to cut and paste one of the standard scripts relating to our current offers. I am going to add that the compliment slips will be free if ordered in May or June. I will now press the Update Preview button and check that the email I'm going to send is just the way I want it. The content of the email is shown below the purple line. I will now print the email to my own printer for my records and then email it to the client. You can see that the email has a header personalized to my business. This is not on the emails as standard. If you would like a header on your emails, it must be added to our database at RCS, and there is a small one-off charge for this. After that, all your emails will be personalized in this way. Please contact us if you would like a header added. Now, when I clicked on Save RCS Quote, the items in your shopping basket were saved under the quote name in Saved Quotes in my account. This means that when your client responds to your email and wishes to place his order, you can simply click on the saved quote and your basket will be filled with the products required, ready to place your order with RCS, saving not only time in quoting but administration as well.